Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It is page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is acceptance. What do you need to accept? Maybe you have to accept that you are a superstar right now. It's your time to shine. Maybe you have to accept that you have to put in the work by yourself at this moment before you're promoted to where you do get that extra boost and that help. You have to put in the work because faith without works are dead, and you're the superstar. So if you believe in yourself, prove to the rest of the world by showing up and showing out. I accept every step in life and presents with me with no resistance. I try to find out what the universe is trying to tell me and teach me so I can grow. Thus, I advance in my freedom and path to light. When you grow stronger, you grow wiser. And when you grow wiser and stronger, therefore, you are qualified and strong enough to maintain bigger blessings. You're only going through what you're going through so you can build up this strength so Spirit can bless you with more and bigger, because they're thinking way on a higher level of blessings than you are right now. And that's amazing. So go get your blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.